Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Hey man, so 12 videos in a row now. I don't know if you guys have been counting, but I sure have. Our channel has been monetized. Thank you guys so much. As you know, 12 videos ago, we were this word right here that I can't say apparently or else it'll happen. Craziness. But we had that, and therefore they weren't sharing our videos, and we were getting no views. But then I asked you guys for help to thumbs up and spam comments on every video because it's the only way to reverse it, and y'all been doing it, man. So thank you guys so much. Please keep doing it, and also, real soon in this video, I'm going to tell you guys a real good reason to thumbs this up. We have some sort of giveaway going on or something like that. So anyway, thank you guys so much for the support. I'm counting. We're going for 20 next. So getting into this video, man, we're taking a little break off the jewelry videos just for one time, and I hope you guys really dig it, because I do, and I think a lot of you guys know that I dig it because I talk a lot about rappers on the channel and music on this channel, and if you really know, you know I collect autographs of rappers and music and stuff like that, because I think it's sick. Mostly for the art, man. I'm really into art on things and stuff like that. My mom's an artist, so I grew up with stuff all over my walls, just really cool things, and you know, I got into it as well. So what we have today though is an autograph collection that I bought off eBay. Now all these guys are pretty much rap, whatever you want to categorize it as. I don't freaking, I was just gonna cut that, but I don't even know how to say it. Categorizing and head rush is strong, boys. Ooh, found a fat Cuban in my room while I was preparing for this video, and I smoked it real quick. Cigars are bad, especially before a video. Anyway, man, sorry, what I'm trying to say is I'm a huge collector of art, first off, and also just things that look cool, displayed, once again, because my mom has always done that when I was growing up. So I actually found this eBay seller who put up a bunch of rapper autographs on his eBay, obviously, and then I was like, bro, I'm gonna buy it all. So I did, and we're unboxing a whole eBay autograph collection today, which I'm very stoked to show you guys. So man, I'm gonna start off this video before I show you all the things that I bought. I'm just gonna show you all the things that I had to begin with, meaning what my collection was before I got all this other stuff. So you can kind of get a full picture or something like that, you know what I mean? Bro, I've seen some collection videos on YouTube and I love them, which is why I want to do it. But anyway, this was actually, speaking on what we're going to be showing today, this was my first rapper autograph ever. I actually did buy this before, after he passed away, sorry. As you guys can see the signatures right there. This X one I think is like the coolest one I've ever seen on the market. They don't come up often. When they do, I try to pull the trigger. This one I spent about $1,000 on. It also comes with this right here, which was the little backstage pass, I guess, of the guy who got it from the concert. The next one I got, I'm just showing you guys the collection right now. Kanye one, paid quite a bit of money for it. Pretty big Kanye fan for sure, but I just thought it was very sick. Super cool art. Once again, I'm also in it for the art, but the autographs just make it. Next up, I was lucky enough to get another XXXTentacion autographed poster right here. Now with these posters, they're actually the posters from their gigs. They're not just on pictures that somebody brought or something like that. So it's cool. It shows the date that pretty much this was signed. And then the other three that are in my collection of what I have right now, this was the next one I bought that I cherish forever because I actually bought this before he passed away. This is a Juice WRLD one. It's got Juice WRLD right there. And it was weird, man. I got it for 80 bucks. Or no, I think it was $100 on eBay before he passed away, and now they're going for like $500 or $600. It doesn't matter about the price. I'm not going to sell it, but I was lucky to get it at that time. Next up, another thing I was really lucky to get at that time was this Tekashi 6ix9ine one right here. Now this is on like a lithograph of what they call it. Those things go for like $500 now. I got it before he was in jail, so I got it for, it was $80, which is dope. I'm really stoked to have that one. And next up, Trippie Redd's right here. I actually got this for $10 when his album dropped. They had a signed lithograph that you could buy for 10 bucks. I bought 5 of them. I gave 4 of them to you guys, and then I kept 1. So that's the collection I have right now. Now I'm gonna show you guys what I just purchased on eBay, the full collection of this guy. So I bought his rapper collection. I actually have the collection right here. This is a little bonus item that I actually bought. This was not off the same guy, somebody else, which I'm still stoked to see, man. This is a Eminem 1 of 100. They only made 100 of these for his 20th anniversary autograph. Little disc right here for like playing on the record player or whatever. don't know if people know about those nowadays, but anyway, I got this one. I definitely want an Eminem autograph. This isn't the one. I didn't know it'd be this small. I thought it'd be like an actual record size. This is like a 7-inch record or something of what they call it. I don't really like it. So what I'm actually planning on doing is reselling it just on eBay for cheaper than I bought it, because I bought it for about 500 bucks, and I just want to get rid of it real quick so I can buy an actual Eminem one that I want. But I am actually going to give you guys the option to win this. Anyway, what I'm going to do is, if you guys want to win this, you guys got to give this video 5,000 thumbs up within 24 hours, and I will pick one of you guys to win this signed Eminem autographed, whatever the hell. It's worth a lot of money. Now, you guys actually, last video almost got 5,000 thumbs up within the day, so I think it's doable. I'm just gonna make it hard because I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I do want my money back for it so I can, you know, purchase the one that I want, but that is what it is. So thumbs up this video if you guys want to win this. 5,000 thumbs up. We're gonna pick a winner. Alright, and comment down below. Now let's get into what I bought off this seller. Now what I'm about to show you guys was $1,000 around in total, which I think was actually a good deal because I got a lot of cool stuff. And let's just get into it, man. Now I actually did unbox them already because they all come in these tubes, and when they come in the tube, they come out like a scroll. You know what I'm saying? And I was trying to think about it. I'm like, how am I going to show this on video? If I'm starting to unroll it, it's hard to see. So I unboxed them all and I actually put them in their own frames so you guys can see exactly what they are and what we got for $1,000 from this deal. First thing we got, now this is dope. We got Tyler right here, if you guys can see the autograph, and then at the back, obviously, which all of them have, which is a big thing for authenticity, at least for me. We have the little ticket card thing that you'd like hang like at your neck or whatever, like when you're there to be like, hey, don't kick me out, please. So they got that. So that's the first one right here we bought. This one I paid about over 100 for. Some are a little bit more, some are obviously a little bit less, but it came out to about $1,000, maybe a bit more. Next one we got, boys. Now my collection just doubled in size after buying all this. We got a Jay-Z one right here. I wouldn't say I'm a huge fan of Jay-Z, but I love like a lot of his songs. So, you know, just with it and with the price, I had to get it. It's gonna look dope on the wall. We got the autograph right here from wherever, Verizon Center. It says the date, blah, blah, blah. Jay-Z, he's got a hot wife. We gotta get it. I think it's good karma at a certain point. Maybe if I buy an autograph from somebody who has a hot wife, but I'll have a hot wife, you know? I think that's how that works. All right, next up, man, I'm so I hope you guys are digging this video. I'm just so stoked to show collections off. We're gonna get into another jewelry video tomorrow, whatever you guys want to see. Leave a comment down below, whatever you want to see. I'm down for it all. Next up, though, from this little collection, I'm pretty sure maybe one of these pieces wasn't from this seller, but it was all pretty much from the same seller. We have this Post Malone run. Big fan of Post, just a dope art piece for the wall. That's signed. Post Malone, Smoke Perp at the bottom, I guess was headlining it after him. Then we just got untattooed him, which is crazy. I really dig it. I also really wanted to show you guys what it looks like in all these frames. These frames, actually, if you guys are looking, they're 11 by 17, which are all these posters, and they're, if you can get like a pack of 6 of them for like 70 bucks on Amazon, not too bad. Next day shipping pretty much. If you got Prime, it's a good deal. Next up, we have this Travis Scott one that I bought off this dude. Now this one I really like. I don't know if you guys remember the Kanye one that I had, but Kanye sometimes draws a little picture. Those I think are like cooler autographs than just his signature, and I think they go for a little bit more money. If you guys can see, Travis Scott, it's got his little picture right there with the autograph. Just super cool artwork, and I can't wait to put all these on the wall because I'm actually gonna do like a new room tour once I have them all up on the wall, with all my Supreme stuff. I think it's gonna be real sick. So leave a thumbs up down below or comment down below if you want to see a room tour. Actually comment it. I want to see comments. Room tour with all this crap. That'd be awesome. Next up, man, this is cool. My mom gave me a hard time because she knows some guy that's real close to him, whatever, I don't know. My mom knows a lot of people for whatever reason. I guess she talks online like every other mom and goes and visits them, which now seems weird. But she gave me a hard time for getting this because she's like, Bran, I could have just got that for you. But then I said, Mom, you should have told me that before I bought it. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, we got this Ice Cube one right here. Super cool piece, which actually looks really nice to this existing XXX Tentacion one. Just back to back, it looks awesome. That's how I kind of want to display them on the wall, just like a giant wall of autographs. It's only a good idea, I think. Next up, man, we only actually have 2 more, so you guys can do the math. Some are a couple $100, some are a little bit less. Next up, we have a Snoop Dogg right here. Now, already had one. I don't know if you guys saw my last video where I showed off my whole collection, but it didn't have like Snoop Dogg in the forefront like all the other ones did. It was just like an actual concert poster with other people featured in it that had his autograph. I'm actually gonna get rid of it, so I might do that for giveaway at one point. It just didn't go with the look of what I wanted or the art of what I wanted. We got the Snoop autograph right here, and weirdly enough, actually, Snoop Dogg autographs don't go for much online. I guess he signs a lot. If you guys go and search on eBay, there's tons of Snoop Dogg autographs. So this one's actually pretty cheap. I got this actually for under $100, but Snoop right there, really, really dope, man. I dig it. And then actually last up, now that I look, this wasn't from the seller. So that was the full collection I got from this seller right here. That was all about $1,000. The last one I had to get, because I'm a big fan, and don't give me a hard time just because he passed away. It's like, oh, you want it because he passed away. But we have this Nipsey one right here. We got Nipsey Hussle, which I was a big fan of, and then Blau, his autograph. But no, I get those things because if you think about it in the way, it's like, imagine having an Elvis autograph in your house. It'd be really dope. It sucks that he passed away, but I think it's a really cool piece of history to be proud of having, which is why I love my ex ones, but he's also like my favorite artist, or one of my favorite artists of all time. But no, that's it, boys. That's the whole collection of autographs I just bought off eBay. I hope you guys dig it. I think I tripled my autograph collection size just by that. I've been so stoked to have it. I really wanted to show you guys, and just remember also, we are giving away, hopefully, well, hopefully not for me, but hopefully, no, if you guys get 5,000 thumbs up within the day, it makes it all worth it. But we'll also be giving away this one possibly. So that's just the Eminem one. It's dope. It's just not exactly the look. You guys can see the look I'm going for with these. It just doesn't fit it. But anyway, man, I hope you all appreciated this video. It's a little bit different, but it's something I'm really into and something that kind of goes with what we talk about. So let me know your thoughts down below. What was your favorite one? Or do you think I spent too much money, too little money? Like I say, it was a little over $1,000 for all of it, I'm pretty sure. But I think it's going to be really cool. I think it's going to be really cool on a wall, and it's something I just really appreciate. It's just cool stuff, man. So anyway, appreciate y'all for watching. American the Game, the greatest of all time. We got another video coming out this Saturday, which is actually going to be really fun if it comes in the mail tomorrow, or else I'll have to figure something out. Anyway, y'all the goats. American the Game, the greatest of all time, man. NameBran fans real strong. Blah.